Did you sleep well? You will learn that expression in Korean. 잘 잤어? You have a roommate or family that you live with, so every morning you speak Korean expression. 잘 잤어? Even if you live alone, you just talk to yourself. 아루싸, 잘 잤어? 잘 잤어. 잘 잤어. Talk to yourself. That's what I did when I was practicing English. It's okay to be crazy and odd sometimes when you learn a foreign language. You know they say when you learn a foreign language, be an actor. Watch a lot of K-dramas and movies and act like them. 잘 잤어? 잘 잤어. 잘 잤어. 안녕하세요, 아루싸입니다. Hi, this is 아루싸. Korean verbs consist of the word stem and verb ending. And the base form of the verb is made up of the word stem and da. Today, we will break down the word 자다, to sleep, and learn how to ask and answer in the past tense. 잘 잤어? 잘 means well. 잤어 means slept. Let's break down 잤어. The base form of 잤어 is 자다. 자다. 자 is the word stem and 다 is the verb ending. So remove 다 but use the word stem only. 자. 자. It can mean go to sleep. 자. Here you put 쌍시옷. So this is the thing that makes the verb past tense. 잣. 잣. Plus we put a type of verb ending. 잤어 means I slept. 잤어? Did you sleep? 잤어. I slept. 잘 잤어? Did you sleep well? 잘 잤어? Yes, I slept well. So again, to make a verb past tense, we need to put the third character, which is 쌍시옷. Because the verb ending is a vowel sound, the third character 쌍시옷 is linked to the letter. So 써, it becomes 써. 잤어. 잤어. Well, we call it 연음. It's a kind of linking sound. The thing is, when you learn a foreign language, at first, you don't really stick to the rules too much. Well, at this point, I do think they just remember the sound of the expression and remember it and use it on a daily basis. 잘 잤어? 잘 잤어. 잘 잤어. 잘 잤어. 잘 잤어. You want to make it formal? Add 요. 잘 잤어요? 잘 잤어요? 잘 잤어요? 네, 잘 잤어요. 아니요, 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 못 잤어요. Bad dreams, 악몽 꿨어요. 아루싸가 꿈에 나왔어요. 잔소리했어요. 연습하냐고 잔소리했어요. Hope you have a good night's sleep. 잘 자요. 잘 자요. 잘 자. 잘 자. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video and continue learning Korean with me, please hit the buttons. 구독, 좋아요. 감사합니다.